Good morning, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you could slice this text up in half or however that you want it to in Photoshop. So it's a very easy process, and if you are a long-time user of Photoshop, you probably already know there are multiple ways that you could do the same thing. So I'm just going to show you one way that this can be done. And in future videos, I will show you how you could slice up text using different methods. For today, let's get into this and see how this can be done. I already have an image, and I already put a text layer on that image, as you can see over here to the right in the layers panel. So your first step is to use the Polygonal tool, which is above here, Polygonal Lasso tool. So if you click on that, if it's not already as a default, left click on this tool, and it'll bring out a flyout menu and select the Polygonal Lasso tool. So then you come over here and use the lasso tool. So what you need to do is click on it first and then drag it, and then go to your point where you can now go to a different direction. Click on it. Let's do this again. Click. Do an angle. However you want to slice this up. Click on it. Bring it up. And now close it off over here. So as you can see, it creates an outline of your selection. Now your next step is to add a layer mask. So if you come over here to the layers panel, come down here and click on add layer mask, and as you can see, it wipes out that bottom section here. And if you come over here to the layers panel, now you have a text layer, and then you have a layer mask thumbnail, and of course the word slice over here. And this link here indicates that the layer mask is now linked to this particular layer. So your next step is then you want to duplicate this layer. So what you do is make sure that this layer is selected, click and drag it down to the bottom so you hover right over the icon that creates a new layer. Now you have a second layer above this one. Now your next step is to invert this layer. So in other words, it will take the top section and make it sliced up. So basically it'll be like this. So how you do that is you click on the layer mask thumbnail, you press the control key and then the I key at the same time. So what that does is it inverts this particular layer mask and creates another layer that the top section is now sliced, and this one refers to the bottom section. So how we can tell that worked is we come over here to this eye over here, so we're going to hide it. So I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it hides it, brings this, and now I'm going to click on this one and it hides the top one. So we know that it worked. So our next step is to move it. So we come up here to the move tool, and with either one of these selected, these text layers selected with the layer mask, you're going to move the section. So now you slice that text. So you could either use the click and drag method with the mouse, or use your up arrow, left, a right arrow or even down arrow to move it to the area that you would want to have the desired effect that you want. So that is one way that you could slice up text within Photoshop CC I'm using 2018. Hopefully for this tutorial was very helpful for you today to learn a new skill within Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video uploaded. And please like, share, and comment. And I want to thank you for coming by my channel today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.